Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refill your Fiat 500 using Ultimate 102 petrol. We are at the petrol station, and we first step is, of course, we open by using our remote the car. Then we can open the cap, and we are using our key to open the tank flap cap too. That's easy. As you can see, we have to move the key in the counterclockwise direction, and then we have to remove the inner cap with an anti-clockwise rotation too. Then we have place to enter the refuel pistol, as you can see. Now we grab the Ultimate 102. This is E5 standard. That means our petrol engine can handle this with a glance, of course. Then we lock the pistol into position, and we are going to refuel our Fiat 500. This will cost you 3 up to 5 minutes. Then you can see nearly 25-liter are insert, and the gun is automatically switched off. Then we can remove the tank gun out of our car. Of course, we should pay our bills, and we close the lids again. First step is we aim with the inner cover. There are triangles on it, and we rotate it clockwise. After this, we rotated the key clockwise too, then it is locked. So now you can see we are done with it. We are back on the street with a full tank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.